Okay, class, here is a way to fix the time server. So we're going to sync to an external source. Right now you can see my time is correct. So I did a search, I found this document from Microsoft. Scroll down until you get to this configured Windows time service to an external clock. I tried this, it had no effect. So guys, what I want you to do is steps 1 through 4. Follow the instructions. You're going to edit your registry. Uh, One thing I want to point out is I'll give you information on how to get to this. One thing I want you to remember is right here it says peers. It says type peers. Don't type peers. So when you're at this parameter where you're adding the actual NTP servers, that's your network time protocol servers, you want to actually type the name of the servers. So in our case, I want you to use these two servers, 0.pool.ntp.org, and you have to put a comma, 0x1, space, then the next server, 1.pool.ntp.org, comma, 0x1. Basically, I searched for public NTP servers, network time protocol servers, and I found this. Anyone can use these time servers. So we're going to synchronize against these as opposed to the Microsoft time server. So open up your browser. Do a search of support Microsoft, and the number we're going to look for is 816042. 816042. And it should be the first thing in your list. Someone open it up in a new tab. We're going to scroll down until we get to the part about external time servers. That's right here. They have an easy method that doesn't work. Then they have a more difficult method that does work. It requires you to manually edit your registry. So go through these steps, configure everything that they say, all the way through 4. You don't need to do 5. But when they say type peers, don't type peers. What you want to type is these two servers separated by space. Don't forget to put the comma 0x1 after each server name. It tells you that in here as well. It tells you that you need to put that 0x1 afterwards with the comma 0x1 space then the next server name. You don't need to do step 5, just step 4. And once you're done, you need to go open up a command prompt with administrative privileges and run w32tm/config/update. This will pull the new data from the registry. Then once you have that done, just resync. Then if you go to your other machines, just run a resync. Basically, our DC is going to be our time clock. So we're syncing everything to the DC. And we're going to sync our DC to a public server, not some internal time clock or not to our local. See right here, when I did a query before I ran this, before I added my registry, you can see that I'm synchronizing against a local clock. Now, after I do that change, I'm actually synchronizing against another clock. And so this worked. Again, do a search of support Microsoft 816042. Scroll down to manually configure the time server for an external source. Don't do the automated one, it doesn't work. Do the manually configure the Windows time service. Open up your registry, edit this, do it again, change it to a 5. Here we change it to NPT. For this registry setting, change it to a 5. You're going to go into this one. Guys, I believe this was already set to a 1. So I didn't need to make a change for step 3. Step 4, where it says type peers, don't type peers. Type these 2 servers. Again, I found them off the internet. They're public pools. Anyone can use them. Okay, I'm going to end this video.